Good morning, class 12. I have brought some more questions for your homework. So I have written there the one more question that will be done in as I have explained in the previous question. Okay, these values are to be given, but there is a little bit difference in this question, so that's why I'm just explaining. If you will observe this cell reaction, then you will see in both the terminal reduction is to be done. Okay, so now oxidation number 0 to -1, it means that shows that reduction is taking place. H plus to 0, again reduction is taking place. Okay, so that has to be show whenever you will find out its E cell, that value will come in negative, so that will show the reaction will be non-feasible and the cell will not work. Okay, so here whenever you will solve this question, no problem to calculate right minus left E naught cell, the right value of hydrogen that will be 0 and that value is to be 1.08, then you will get their E naught cell. But how to calculate the E of cell? You have to put both the electrodes in the denominator because they both are showing reduction. Okay, so that must be show 1 upon Br negative square and H plus square. Why I have put there the square? Whenever you will balance the equation, so that should be multiplied by the number 2, as I have solved this portion in the previous equation. So here you have to get it. When you will get the value of E naught E cell, that value will come in negative, so this shows that this cell will not work. Okay, you have got it, I think. Okay, so now our next topic is to be, let's take a little bit introduction about cell and battery. So cell, here I have written the source of electric current is called cell. This most probably you have studied in class 10. The battery, it is a combination of two or more than two cells. Okay, so whenever the number of cells they are to be connected, then they work as a battery. So we must know that. Let's come on the chemical part. In every cell reaction, always redox reaction takes place with the help of some chemicals. So here I have written, in every cell, due to chemical change or the chemical reaction, some redox reaction takes place and that gives electrical output. Means due to some chemical reactions, some electricity will produce. Okay, so that's why I have written electrical output comes. So cell or battery, they have been divided into two main categories. One is to be primary and next one is to be secondary. Primary batteries are those which are not rechargeable. Not rechargeable means if you are using for one time, we cannot repeat it again and again. They will be discharged after a suitable time period. I have written here the two examples, Leclanche cell and the Mercury cell. Leclanche cell, this is a specific type of dry cell. Most probably you all have seen. This we keep on using in wall clocks. I have the one piece also. This is a Leclanche cell. This is a dry cell. In our next topic, we will study the detailed structure and its functioning of Leclanche cell. And next cell is to be a Mercury cell. Okay, now next category is to be secondary. Secondary cells are to be rechargeable. Rechargeable means they can be used again and again. I give you the example. Inverter, the battery which we use in inverter, this is to be lead storage battery. This can be changed again and again. Okay, next is to be nickel cadmium and another one is to be fuel cell. So all types of cell or battery, we are going to start their study in detail one by one. So I hope you all have got the little bit introduction of cell and battery. That's all.